Hi Geeks and Collectors, and today we'll be unboxing my 2022 haul video. Stay tuned. It's coming from Ami, Japan. Came last October 31. Okay. 31. Okay. Have this one. This is what you get from inside the box from Ami. As usual. Halloween inspired. Okay, this one is a pre-owned. Pre-owned coming from Ami. It's Berserker Miyamoto Musashi. And another box came from China, I think Hong Kong. No, Hong Kong. Sorry, Hong Kong. Oh. Hong Kong. I think this is a 1/6 scale. It's Omnipotent Hero. It's Omnipotent Hero. It's Omni-Man. It's Omni-Man. Coming from the Heat series, Invincible. Okay. Next, we have again coming from Ami, Japan. Okay. This came last October, so these are fairly new. And it's such a big box. Let's go. Another artwork, same, because it's Halloween inspired theme. Oh! This is what I was very excited about, this figure. What do you think? Nice?
Good.
It's coming from FNex. From Art Knights video game. It's a 1/7 scale Hoshiguma. I don't really know these characters, but I like the figure. But next, a smaller box coming from Ami, Japan again. This one came last December 9, 2022. Okay. Let's see. Oh! Wow, this is nice. Are these the mascot of Ami? Comment on the section if you know them. I think they look good. The thing is, every time you purchase something from Ami, they'll be giving you with this postcards. Oh, it's Lilith Bisojo. And the last box for this video is coming last December 19 is coming again from Miami, Japan. Let's see. Oh! Wow. Nice. At least it's not the same, even though it's from December. Okay. It's Ninim Raleigh. Ninim Raleigh. I think this is coming from the anime. What's that? The prince that is so intelligent, but he is so lazy that he doesn't want to. He wants to sell his kingdom, something like that. But this figure is nice. It's also coming from the pre-owned, coming from For You. Okay. So Berserker, Miyamoto Musashi, coming from Fate Grand Order. This is a pre-owned figure, which looks, it's a, I think a B, still B grade figure from pre-owned from Miami. See, the box really is so nice, huh? But I don't like these big boxes because they occupy a lot of space, especially when you store them. So in a clamshell, same. It's a 1/7 scale. So you can see if it's a pre-owned there. I don't know if you can see the marks of the tape. So let's open. Okay, let's see. Base is standard one. It's not that big, not that small. Not hard to display for this figure. It's not hard to display. Okay, but you can also see that the base is being pegged in by a iron rod, metal rod. Okay, let's see. Let's see. Okay, the other one is for the other foot, so that it won't. Okay.
Very cool.
Cool.
Nice toy. I love you.
Okay, the paint on this figure is quite nice, and there are no paint flaws in mine, so this is a nice buy.
Dad, there's some faint floss on yours.
There's none, baby.
Opo.
There's no paint floss in mine. Is it nice?
Yes, what?
Yes po.
Yeah. What a cool toy.
What a cool toy.
That you bought. Okay.
No paint floss in this one.
Nope.
Okay.
No.
So the other gun is to be held. So you can remove the other hand. That one.
Is it?
Right. Okay, cool.
Why did you, Dad?
There you go. So figure like so. Okay, let's check. Coming from Art Nights. I think this is coming from Art Nights. Made by. It's from FNext. So 1/7 scale. Rhode Island. Okay, open. So we got, it's a 1/7 scale, but the head looks quite small. But I think this is the 1/7 scale sizes for this figure. Let's check it. Open. There you go. Nice. So what's inside the box? It has Hoshiguma. So the character is Hoshiguma. Hoshiguma. So Hoshiguma. And it's, yeah, I'm correct, it's Art Nights. Coming from Art Nights, Hoshiguma. Let's see. The base here. The big base. The big base.
Well, it's a nice, Daddy.
Yeah, it's so nice. Is it nice?
Opo.
Yes, it is. Oh, the base, such a big ass base. Nice base. Got there. Okay. Let's continue. See the base. Okay. We have the figure herself. Nice. Got the Oni mask. Then it has a metal rod peg. It goes inside. Okay. Yep. There you go. We have the shield.
The shield?
Yep. that has a lot of stickers on it at the back. Nice details. Same. We have a metal rod peg. And the flag. Yeah. Then we have two of the smoke. It's coming from the base. Such nice details that this figure has.
So, do you like it?
Of course. Because of the details, maybe. Smoke effect. So we have two smoke effects. So next we need to put number 6. Number 6 is the longest, the back. So we did that. We need to put the smoke on number 5, which is this one. This one is number 5.
This one?
Yes.
Do you know it?
Yes. So this is number 5, which is going in here. This one, okay. This one goes here. This one goes here. There you go. Goes there. And should be one is should be placed here. There you go. Boom. Next, you can remove this one and place this hand at the back. There you go. That's nice because it has a metal rod on it. It has a metal rod on it. So, nice.
What it has?
It has a metal rod to support.
Wait, it has a mask? It's so creepy.
Is it creepy?
Oh, it has a mask.
The mask. That's not creepy. That's art. It's a nice one. The metal rod goes at the back. Goes at the back like this. Alright. Nice. This is such a beautiful figure. A lot of details. Then number 6, which is the longest, goes at the back again. Here. Should go here. Yep. Much easier. place all the swords first. Then, where do we put the flag? There you go. So, there. On the smoke. Here. Goes there. There you go. The base is such a cool base. This is such a cool base. There's a story behind. Like he's walking, like he's walking out, coming from the shadows, and then it's going to attack the foes or the enemy that she will be facing. So that's a cool story. Okay, there you go. Nice. Quick and easy. Then where do we put the other smoke effect? The other smoke effect goes to the boot. I think it goes to the boot. One of the boot. Or not. There you go. Should be resting there. The sword should be resting there. Or should I say the shield should be resting there. That's a badass figure you got. Such a nice figure. There. Nice. But the smoke, where should the smoke go? Same. But this one goes to the shield. Nice. Did not see that, huh? It goes to the shield. Nice engineering. You'll appreciate the engineering on this figure. Nice. There we go. This is the final look for this figure. Hoshiguma. And let's move to the next figure. Next, we have Nainin Riley on 7 scale. It's coming from Furyu FX. FX Furyu. This company. This is coming from an anime that I love, but looking at it, the base is not that nice. You can see it's so huge, white huge base. This is coming from the Genius Princess Guide to Racing a Nation Out of Debt. Yeah, it's the Genius Prince. The Genius Princess Guide to Racing a Nation Out of Debt. I've watched this anime and it's a nice anime. That's why I decided to get this figure because of the anime. So this is a new anime, new figure. Okay, it has a instruction inside. Butaan na dyan. The ugly base. Ugly base out. Metal pegs. Metal rug pegs. Which is nice because it won't easily be broken. The figure won't be easily be broken. Okay, to avoid leaning figure, probably that's why there's a rods that should be placed at the back of her dress. So figure looks good. There's a shadowing or a shade on the hair. Faces looks cute. No paint defects on the figure itself. All in all, it's a nice figure, but so simple. Having only a white base. So that's it. Minion Rayleigh from the anime series. The Genius Princess Guide to Raising a Nation Out of Debt. That's quite a mouthful of title you have there. Okay, next we go to our Bisojo figure coming from Kotobukiya. It's Lilith from the video game Darkstalkers. So it's a Bisojo. It's coming from the Bisojo line. So you have here your box, front, clear, plastic, on the side, the figure artwork, and the back, it's a figure photo. There you go. From Kotobukiya. Open up. Nice. It has a moon in the box.
Huh?
So it's nice touch.
I want to put. Ready?
Yes, enough. Okay, put it there. No problem. Yeah. There you go. And there you go. Nice. It's a whole figure. No need to assemble.
You need to assemble it.
No need to assemble because it's already pre-assembled. The wings looks fragile there. They look brittle. The wings looks brittle. So don't drop this figure. There you go. face looks like a regular Bisojo, which looks good to partner with Morrigan, one of the characters, which is also Succubus from the same video game. So there you have it, Lilith from the Bisojo line of Kotobukiya from the Darkstalkers video game series.
Meron pa dun. Ayun o, naiwan.
Toga from My Hero Academia. M4 soft mod from No Game, No Life. I love this anime. Self-proclaimed pretty witch.
Nasaan ang pangbukas mo? Problem. Ayun pala nasa orange.